For 61, disdain, noun hate. Synonyms, antipathy, aversion. Antonyms, admiration, approval. Sentence, I have so much disdain for cheaters. For 62, gruesome, adjective horrible. Synonyms, awful, frightful. Antonyms, attractive, beautiful. Sentence, she is expert in making gruesome facial expressions. For 63, grueling, adjective difficult. Synonyms, arduous, backbreaking. Antonyms, easy, effortless. Sentence, it is a grueling task. For 64, gargantuan, adjective very large. Synonyms, enormous, gigantic. Synonyms, dwarfed, miniature. Sentence, Ahmed has a gargantuan body. For 64, beset, verb besiege. Synonyms, embarrass, beleaguer. Antonyms, free, surrender. Sentence, he is beset with difficulties. For 65, detest, verb abhor. Synonyms, hate, loathe. Antonyms, like, love. Sentence, the animal activists detest people who purchase fur coats. For 66, modicum, noun iota. Synonyms, ounce, pinch. Antonyms, lot, entirety. Sentence, all I need is a modicum of money to pay for my basic needs. For 67, minuscule, adjective tiny. Synonyms, dwarf, meager. Antonyms, big, large. Sentence, I saw a minuscule animal there. For 68, grievance, noun complaint. Synonyms, grief, outrage. Antonyms, joy, delight. Sentence, he has a grievance to share. For 69, bygone, adjective in the past. Synonyms, former, ancient. Antonyms, alive, modern. Sentence, it was his bygone statement. For 70, balk, verb hesitate. Synonyms, resist, shirk. Antonyms, accept the face. Sentence, he balked at such a drastic solution. For 71, avid, adjective ardent. Synonyms, eager, fervent. Antonyms, apathetic, cold. Sentence, Cameron is an avid man. For 72, buttress, verb support. Synonyms, strengthen, uphold. Antonyms, weaken, let down. Sentence, this pillar can buttress this wall. For 73, canonical, adjective accepted. Synonyms, lawful, legal. Synonyms, unacceptable, unauthorized. Sentence, it is a canonical truth. For 74, castigate, verb berate. Synonyms, chastise, criticize. Antonyms, praise, laud. Sentence, she was castigated by the teacher. For 75, burgeon, verb prosper. Synonyms, sprout, blossom. Antonyms, fade, diminish. Sentence, you will burgeon day after day. For 76, benign, adjective kindly. Synonyms, favorable, friendly. Antonyms, unkind, unfriendly. Sentence, she liked her benign presence at the party. For 77, bogus, adjective counterfeit. Synonyms, fake, forged. Antonyms, real, honest. Sentence, she is a bogus person. For 78, boor, noun clod. Synonyms, barbarian, brute. Antonyms, charmer, enthusiast. Sentence, why do act as a bore? For 79, cocky, adjective arrogant. Synonyms, brash, nervy. Antonyms, humble, meek. Sentence, he is such a cocky entrepreneur. For 80, apathy, noun indifference. Synonyms, aloofness, coldness. Antonyms, concern, sympathy. Sentence, he is full of apathy. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary Like, subscribe, share and comments.